How's it going, everyone? This is Sean here from Scale Model Car Guy channel, and today's video is going to be my final on the motorcycle group build hosted by Cliff and Jamie. And let's see, hey, before we get this video started, thank you, my subscriber. Thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever makes your world go around, guys. Subscribing is free. This channel never asks you for a dime, guys. Don't need support. Hey, just support everybody in this community. And if I mention anybody in this video, I always leave a link in the description below. Go there, go to the channel, check them out, support them, like, share, subscribe. You know the deal. That's all I ever ask. Alright. Yeah, I ain't been here in a minute. Yeah, it's been a couple weeks since I made a video. Thank you to the guys that's reached out and to see if anything's wrong or anything. No, nothing's wrong. That's just that it's just been very busy. My nephew got married. Let's see, him and his beautiful wife Abby, old Jacob and Abby, they got married. They are now officially the Tuckers. Congratulations to them. Love you guys. Yeah, it was an awesome wedding. So, you know, I've been that, and then it was me and my beautiful wife's 35th wedding anniversary. It was March 17th. We've been married 35 years, and love her. Thank God that everything's going all right, and hopefully it stays that way. So, yeah, it's just been very busy, day at work, and, you know, a lot of stuff going on. I've just not had time to make a video. And not really had time for much nothing else. I still got Donnie Yager's stuff. I got a car that I'm building for him, and the only thing that I've done to it is got the chrome foil on it. It's looking good, guys. The chrome foil's on it. Y'all done seen that I've pretty much got it all together. I just got, you know, the glass in it and get it all buttoned up. You can see I got the engine wired up, flocked the carpet. It's pretty much assembled other than the wheels, tires, you know, bumpers. Here's like the tires and wheels. Still got to put the hubcaps and beauty rings, you know. Yeah, it's coming along pretty good. And speaking of Donnie, my buddy, my homie, my pal, he also sent me some of Matt's favorites. A couple of these testers, which are the original IMC 48 Fords. And these ones here are from like 1976. Right there, still in the box. Great shape. Thank you, brother. I got those from him. He also sent me one of these. It's the pre-painted Pro Shop 57 Chrysler C. I love these things. Those are pretty neat. And then he also sent me the Pro Shop 76 Caprice with trailer. Yeah, the main thing I want out of that's the trailer. Yeah, I could care less about a big old Caprice like that, but I mean, you know, that's not my cup of tea, but guys out there do love them cars, let me tell you. But yeah, I just needed the trailer. And then he also sent me one of these. Yeah, I got two of them already, so a third one. Oh yeah, and I got an original one too. And thank you, Donnie, appreciate you. And then the only thing I bought for myself is I just picked this one up just because I like the drag cars, and it's a Mopar. So that's it, guys. I really haven't had much to brag about or talk about as far as getting stuff. But yeah, that's really all I got going on. I'm going to shut my gap and turn this thing around here and show you my final on the motorcycle group build. Alright, as you can see here, this is what I built for Jamie and Cliff's motorcycle group build. The rules and stipulations is it had to be a Yamaha, any size engine, whatever. It didn't matter if it's a racing bike, whatever. street bike, whatever, it didn't matter, just as long as it was a Yamaha. So I stepped up to the plate again this year, and I love the motorcycle group build, guys. I try not to ever miss it, but if it does, it does. But when I can, I'll do it. I love that group build. Yeah, I'm not a motorcycle rider, never have been, never will be. But man, building a motorcycle is fun. It's different, from a model car. And if y'all haven't never done it, get out there and try it, because it's fun. Now, this particular kit fought the crap out of me. It's a vintage kit from like 1967 or 9 or 8 or something, 1969. Right there. And this kit was missing several parts. I had to make this part right here from the triple tree. It was gone. I had to make the cylinder head for it. Had to make a peg back here for it. I had to make the coils that go to the engine. And there was something else I had to scratch built. And oh my god, it was a pain in the butt. And of course, it's old model, and the chrome is very bad on it, very faded and just really bad. But I didn't feel like replating everything and doing all that crap. It's an old kit. It's a vintage kit. All the parts weren't there, and it wasn't worth my time to do all that. But it's something I'll never take to a model show, but by God, it'll look good sitting on my shelf. And that's what it's all about, guys. Never let a model win. Don't never throw a model away. Don't never just put it up and just whatever. Make that model your bitch. Alright, let me move this out of the way. Boom. There we go, guys. Like I said, she's not the best, but she's done. She is absolutely done. Now, it's so big I had to put it on this license plate, but that's 1/8 scale. Give you little looks around on it. This is the best side. That's why I'm showing this side. But we'll go around to the other side. You can see how the chrome is faded on it. Yeah, it's just, you can see I made this triple tree. It's already broke. I broke it right here. Just not the best. The chrome foil was terrible. I couldn't get it on there. No matter how much I burnished it down, couldn't get it to lay down. This kit just fought me all the way, guys. Touched my finger back here and the stupid license plate, because I'm just going to have to either paint black over that or print me off something to put over it. But guys, I said, screw it. I'm done with it. Sometimes you just have those kits to where you just say, I'm done, and this is it. Now, if I'd got the kit where it was mint in box and all these parts weren't missing and stuff, of course it had never been put together, but parts were missing out of it. Chrome was bad, faded, terrible chrome. Might be a different story. I don't know. I kind of doubt it. It's just the kit's old, showing its age. And it's just fought me. It's not a Tamiya kit, it's a Revell kit. So, and it's old Revell, so it ain't always the best, but hey, it was a fun build whether it fought me or not, guys. That's what it's all about. It's all about having fun. And I can say I'm happy with it just to put it on the shelf. No, I wouldn't ever take it to a model show, but yeah, she looks alright. I mean, nothing to brag about, but you can see I didn't take my time to really sand and mess with all that, because I was disgusted with the kit already. But I'd already said this is what I was going to build, and I was bound and determined to get it done. Like I said, this is not the best side, so it will not be displayed from that side. It'll be displayed from this side right here. That's the best side for me anyway. See if I can pick this thing up. I left the seam going down there. I didn't care. I didn't fill it in. You can see the plug wires going to it. You can't see all the other stuff where it goes to the clutch and all that stuff up there. You can't even see it. It's all tucked underneath that tank. But you can see one head I built and one I didn't. You can tell the difference between them. Like I said, paint paint ain't the best in the world. You know, it ain't the best. But I never give up on it. Let me turn this thing around. Turn this thing around. It's so awkward, guys. Let you see it from this end. There's the chain. That chrome was scratched up. It's just not the best, guys. But she is done. Y'all have seen better work from me before. Like I said, I don't blame my skills too much. It was just the kit, and I was bound and determined to get it done, and this is the way she's going to sit on the shelf, and I'm going to call it good. And I hope y'all enjoyed this. I know I enjoyed the motorcycle group build. Thank you, Cliff, so much, from GI Scale Mechanics, and Jamie. Thank y'all so much. And their links will be in the description below, guys. Go check them out. Go give them subscribes. Get them guys up there. They deserve it. And love y'all. Peace.